All right, so all the links are processed, and if you see, it is finished. Okay, so now if I just write documents and execute, probably this is going to give me a lot of information over here, if you see, right? So I don't know how many documents are there, so let's check. Okay, okay, so there are total 640 documents are there, right? So now what I'll do, we'll be going to create a vector index. Okay, so vector index is also ready here, if you see, right? So now we'll be going to actually create an engine. So engine equals to index dot as, query engine, right? Like this. Okay, and let's execute. It's completed. Now response. Okay, and we'll be going to write engine dot query, and you can ask any question. What is this text about? Okay, and then print response. Okay, let's see, it's doing something. The text is about various updates and features related to Amazon EC2 and instances. Okay, so let's ask some more question. Okay, so I think, what is what are the instance types available? Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, so it is so detailed and a lot of informations are here, right? So let's ask another question. What is the cost related? Give information on EC2 instance cost. Okay, we can analyze the cost as well as the cost if it so detailed, right? Okay, so I believe this is really important. So one good thing, let me actually rename it to, so maybe I can write main.ipynb. So guys, as I told you, just because I have a lot of documents are available here, so what I did, I actually created into multiple notebook format, but you want to actually use it from the VS Code as well. But if you want to do it from the multiple notebook format, sorry, multi-line notebook format, in that case you will get an option to actually debug your code. So that is what I use. Okay, so I believe the tutorial can be concluded over here, but before I end this tutorial, I would like to request, try to practice this tutorial by using some different link, because see, if you don't just hold on, because if you don't practice over the period of time, you will forget, because nowadays everybody is actually learning 3 4 5 different topics every day, right? And then if you don't practice, you will eventually forget those things with time, right? So my recommendation is, once you watch this video, after watching the video, just try to like replicate the same code by using some different link. You can use the same link, but in the same link probably you won't get the same experience. So I will highly recommend you guys to write down your code by your own, because the moment you start writing the code, you will gain some confidence and it will help you to become like advanced, right? So that you can think out of the box and you can create something different. Not this tutorial, our ultimate objective is to make you job ready and to make you ready for your client, right? So when you are going to start working for a company and client, maybe the use case will be different, right? So you have to think on that point of view. So that is why just try to think about this tutorial, try to practice this thing, and after that try to apply your own thought and come up with different use case and try to apply. Okay, so don't just rely on the video. After watching the video, you have to just do your coding or you have to build something, right? Think from the use case point of view, right? Okay, so that's it. But don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friend, and also try to click on the bell notification icon. Okay, so enough of talking. I'm just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning. What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 22 and today's topic will be how to chat with any website using Llama-Index. Okay, so the requirement is, suppose you have to build a vector index, or you have to create a rack by exporting the documents or content or the text available within a website. Okay, so for that requirement, probably you have to first scrape the website, and after that you have to parse the content from the website and you have to upload somewhere, right? So basically how to extract information from a website, and then with the help of that information how to build a vector index or rack. That is the ultimate objective of this tutorial. Okay, so most of you know already how to create RAG using multiple vector database, so that part is not covered in this tutorial. But rather than doing the RAG part, I'm just going to start with the integration with any website. Okay, so how to extract the data from a website or how to scrape the complete website using Llama-Index, that is also can be like the objective of this tutorial. Okay, and once the document or the information is available, you can easily chat with those information, right? Okay, so before I move ahead with the next slide, so I would like to request on a couple of things or recommendation. So if you are watching this video for the first time, or if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because I regularly upload videos on LangChain and Llama-Index. So if you want to get updated or you want to get the updates, then probably you have to hit the bell notification. Okay, and last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, because your one subscription is going to help me a lot, and also it will motivate me to come back again and again with nice and quality content. And if you think these videos are really doing some wonders on your life, you are learning something on, or maybe if it is helping you to do something on your job, please put some comment so that this video might be helpful for other audience, and also it will help us to keep us motivated, right? Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to start the tutorial. And what is the next slide? So next slide is just kind of a high level overview on this tutorial. So if you see here, first you have to install Llama-Index-Readers-Web. So the prerequisite is actually you have to install this thing, and once this is done, you have to scrape the website using app module, and then we'll be going to create a vector index by exporting the information, and last but not least, we'll be going to test the entire flow. Okay, so this is the GitHub link or GitHub source code for this thing. You can easily get it from here. Once the tutorial or the session is over, I'll share everything. Okay, so let's jump onto the coding part. Okay, before I start the coding part, so I have a website. This is the Amazon documentation for AWS EC2. I'll be going to scrape every link from this website, and after that we'll see. Okay, so let's start doing the coding. Okay, so I have already installed the necessary module. So for that reason, I don't want to actually install anything, but when you are going to do it, you have to install. Okay, so first thing first, from LlamaIndex.readers.web, right, and import WholeSiteReader. Okay, and then from LlamaIndex.core, okay, dot import vector store index and download loader. Okay, so first we have to initialize a scraper. Okay, scraper. How we gonna initialize the scraper? So basically it should be WholeSiteReader, right? And WholeSiteReader actually taking prefix, max depth, and I think prefix and max depth, right? So maybe like this. Prefix means from where I actually want to start the website. So let me prefix, and the URL will be, let's say, let's go here. I believe I want to do it this, okay, or maybe I just want to, okay, this user guide. I just want to start with this user guide, okay, and there's something called max depth. Max depth I want to keep it 10. Okay, let's see whether I'm getting any error or not. Okay, yeah, see, it started already. Okay, it is fine, right? Okay, right? So now what we'll do, we're just going to start the documents. Okay, so documents equals to scraper dot load data. Okay, and after that base URL, okay, like this, and base URL also is going to be something like this, okay, and after that it is done. After that you have to just print the documents. Okay, so print the entire documents. Okay, so let's start. Okay, okay, so let's close the terminal. Let's start a fresh terminal. So I just started. Okay, okay, so you see the page is opening and page is coming here. Okay, so this is the first page, and if you see here, something is happening as well here. So it will automatically scraping, and it is actually going from here and here. See, this is started. Okay, so what I do, I just keep this thing open, right? And once this is done, I will be just going to start the recording here, because it is going to take some time. If you see here, it is happening here as well. Okay, so I'll just keep it like this, or else what I can do, I just going to stop it here, because or else I have to again start from the beginning, right? So what I'll do, I'll be just going to make it like maximum date 2, and let's see how much time it is going to take, because if I give 10, it is going to take a lot of time. Okay, I just want to make it 2, and let's see what is happening here. Okay, still it is working. Let it run. Okay, yeah, yeah, good. So everything is happening. Okay, so what I do, I just going to stop it here, because I have to create the index actually. So index equals to, let me just write vector store index, okay, dot from documents, okay, and there I just going to write documents. So my index is created, and then I'll be just going to create an engine. Okay, engine equals to index dot as query engine. You can make it 10, then probably more documents will be coming, right? Okay, so one thing we can do, we can do it from the Jupyter notebook. Let's do it from there, or else it will be, because in the VS code what will happen, I cannot re-execute again, because it will take some time. So just give me some time. Let me open a VS code, sorry, Jupyter notebook, and let's see whether I can do it from there or not. Okay, I open my Jupyter notebook. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and start the tutorial from there. Okay, so document, GitHub, then I don't think why it is not here. No, it is not working. So that is interesting. This Jupyter notebook is actually not here. Okay, so maybe I can do it again. The tree. Okay, so this is starting from here. So I just don't know, like from here actually it is starting. Okay, so OneDrive, then documents, then GitHub. Okay, so what I'll do, yeah, let me create a notebook here. Yeah, my notebook is started. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to do it from here and let it run. Okay, so let it run. I think things are working. Okay, so let it run, and every time it is going to give you what are the things it is doing. Okay, so what I do, I'll just keep it running. You guys can watch it, and once this is done, we'll start from here. Okay, so I'll just keep it running as it is. Okay, so enter execution, you guys will be able to see it. So I'm just going to mute my microphone, but you can see the recording, and once these things are done, then I'll be going to start the tutorial over here. Okay, because I will print the documents and I would like to show you guys, but in the VS Code probably I cannot stop it here, because if I want to stop it here and show you again, I have to execute this thing, and that is going to be difficult. So let it run from here, and shortly we'll be going to do it. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it is going to happen. Okay, so I'm just going to make my microphone mute, and after that I'll be again going to start. Okay. All right, so right now actually it is here, right? And let me check whether my recordings are going on or not. I believe my recording is going on, so no problem at all. Okay, let's see how long this will take. So hopefully this will take some time. Just keep it running. Okay. I think so many different links are coming here, right? So every link it is going actually. Okay, I think this thing is working. I should not increase the video length. So what I do, I'll just going to stop the recording here, and I'll be going to restart when it is done. Okay, so let me do it.